Hello, in this C programming video, I am going to show you the continue statement. So if you haven't watched any of my videos on loops, highly recommend that you watch them, and highly recommend that you watch the break statement video, which is what we got implemented right here. So if you recall, the break statement, when hit, it just gets out of the for loop or out of any loop. But what if you just want to, because each pass on here, when I is 0, that's one pass. When I is 1, because it's been incremented, is another pass. When I is 2 is another pass. You can also think of them as a iteration. But for what if you just want to skip that pass? So let's say if we want to say if I squared is equal to, let's say we know 8 squared is 64. So let's say if it's 64, we don't want to break out of it. So if I was to save that, give it a run, it gets to 7 squared is 49. But when it gets to 8 squared is 64, it breaks out of it. But what if we want to do anything after that as well? What you can do, instead of a break statement, you can put what's called a continue statement. And the continue statement, what it does is, unlike the break statement, which would say hit the break and go to the code execution right here, what it does is says you've hit continue, skip the rest of the code for this pass, and do whatever needs to be done at the end of the loop. So increment I in this case, and then do the pass again. Obviously this will get checked again, but as I squared will never be 64 again, it will never skip that particular pass. So continue skips a pass, break breaks entirely out of the for loop or loop in general. And as you can see, we'll have 7 squared is 49. We'll skip 8 squared, and we'll have 9 squared is 81. So that's the continue statement. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, or better yet, feel free to join the Discord group, post in the programming channel, and get some help there. Happy New Year. Hopefully you have a good 2022, and hopefully you enjoy my tips and tricks shorts that I'm doing on a daily basis. Feel free to give me feedback on them. What more you would like to see? More programming, more crypto, more NFT, more something else, more maybe DIY stuff, whatever it is. I'll try to do some tips and tricks shorts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.